Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any update. Neptune is our solar system's 8th and farthest planet, with 4 in the house and 3 in India, all of which are also the densest planet in our solar system. It cannot be seen with normal eyes, and we were unaware of this planet in our east until it is very difficult to study this from the best telescope, let alone its style. And for this, the search for Neptune increased even more due to the mystery. Neptune is the first such planet, which was discovered through mathematical prediction. Even taking credit for its discovery caused a lot of controversy in the whole world. There are more such things about this outermost planet of our solar system which are very interesting. Greetings friends, you are watching Documentary Library and I am your friend Sheshi. In today's episode, we will learn about Neptune planet. When the great astronomer Galileo Galilei looked through his telescope and started observing space, then they made drawings of planets and stars, on which points were marked to show planets and stars. In those drawings, a point was marked at the same place where Neptune is today, but Galileo mistakenly identified this point as a star. And for this reason, Galileo was not given credit for the discovery of Neptune. In 1821, Alexis Bouvard published a theoretical table for the orbit of Uranus. But when the observations were made, there was a lot of discrepancy in the calculations of the orbit. Then, Alexis Bouvard said that there is some unknown large object which is disturbing the orbit of Uranus due to gravitational interaction. In 1843, John Cook Adams was also researching on the orbit of Uranus, and they also predicted the possibility of a new planet. In 1845, Erwin Lee Verrier also made a claim for another new planet based on his calculations regarding Uranus. Due to so many predictions about the new planet, astronomers started searching for this undiscovered planet. Finally, on September 23, 1846, we discovered a new planet. The credit for the discovery of this planet goes to Adams or Urbain Le Verrier. There was a lot of controversy on this issue in the world. But no one recognized Urbain Le Verrier by face. Arville Le Verrier himself named this new house and we named it Neptune. Neptune is considered the god of the sea according to Roman mythology. The internal structure of the Neptune planet is similar to Uranus. Its internal core is made of iron and silicate, and it is approximately 1.2 times as heavy as Earth. Its core pressure is about 45,000 times that of Earth's core, and the temperature is about 5,400 degrees Kelvin. Neptune's metallic layer is approximately 15 times as heavy as Earth and also contains more water, ammonia and methane. This fluid is highly conductive, similar to how we describe water, ammonia, ocean. In Neptune's outer atmosphere, 80% is hydrogen and 19% is helium. Traces of methane and other elements are also found in its atmosphere. Due to the presence of ice giants, Neptune's average temperature remains around -240 degrees Celsius. In 2007, Neptune's south pole was considered the warmest place on the planet. Its temperature was approximately -200 degrees Celsius. This polar region was warm because it had been in the sun for the past 40 years due to Neptune's south pole tilt. Neptune is 4.5 billion kilometers from the Sun. It is located 30 astronomical units away, and it takes 164.79 Earth years to complete one orbit around the Sun. Neptune is known for its strong winds, with the fastest ones reaching 654 yards per second. It's also quite cold. It's colder than the supersonic flow in fact. The direction of the strong winds on Neptune is opposite to the planet's rotational direction. In 1989, Voyager 2 discovered a large storm on Neptune during its flyby mission. It was named the Great Dark Spot because it appeared dark in color. The Great Dark Spot was compared to Jupiter's The Great Red Spot, but this storm disappeared quickly, which was confirmed by the Hubble Space Telescope in November 1994. Neptune, but the existence of the Great Dark Spot and the White Spot are also found on it, which is one of the storms that come in its upper atmosphere. These storms are also referred to as scooters. Why these storms disappear so quickly on Neptune and what is their mechanism is still a question for us. Like other giant planets, Neptune also generates internal heat. The energy equivalent to 2.61 times the energy received from the Sun is radiated in space. So far, 14 moons of the planet Neptune have been discovered. The largest moon of Neptune is Triton, which was discovered just days after Neptune itself was discovered. Triton, it is a unique body in our solar system, considered to be the coldest object in the solar system. The temperature here is minus 235 degrees Celsius. It is also believed that Triton is not a natural satellite of Neptune. It is speculated that it might be a dwarf planet that Neptune captured with its gravity. It is believed so because the other moons of Neptune are irregular in shape, but Triton has the shape of a planet. In Neptune's orbit, Triton accounts for 99.5% of the mass. Its atmosphere contains 13 known moons and 3 planetary rings that have been discovered so far, similar to Neptune's 3 rings, Adams, Leverrier and Gale. But all the rings are much fainter than other gas giants. Some rings are so faint that they are barely visible. At one point, it was believed that Neptune's rings were incomplete or faint, but Voyager 2 confirmed that Neptune's rings are complete but not very bright. The reason for which they are not visible from Earth, Voyager 2 is a spacecraft that was launched to study Neptune. In August 1989, Voyager 2 passed closest to Neptune and it sent us photographs of the planet. From the information received from Voyager 2, we learned about its atmosphere, temperature, composition and more. We learned from Voyager 2 that there is an active weather system near Neptune. It was the one who discovered 6 satellites of Neptune and revealed that there are more rings around Neptune. It also provided us with detailed and extensive knowledge about Neptune. Following this, it passed close to Neptune's largest moon, Triton. Voyager 2 made the first accurate calculation of Neptune's mass, which was 0.5% less than our previous calculation. This disproved the existence of Planet 10. But there are still some questions that remain about Neptune, just like with Voyager 2. We found out that Neptune's magnetic field is also tilted and off-center, just like Uranus. Why is it so? It remains a mystery even today. Neptune is very far from the Sun, but still snowflakes reach up to Neptune in the chaos of the sky. And when its internal heat source is also very minor. So then what happens that the winds reach the supersonic flow? Neptune's Great Dark Spot, why and how did it disappear? The storms of other planets? Why don't storms last here until the monsoon season? There are so many questions like this about Neptune that are very far from us, but one day we will definitely reach them. So friends, that's all for today. If you like this video, please do like it and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. See you in the next episode.